Politics over raids by the Enforcement Directorate in Jharkhand's capital, Ranchi. In fact, mounds of cash recovered from Ranchi there by the central agency. A series of raids were conducted across multiple locations in Ranchi. In fact, over 25 crore rupees were actually recovered in cash. Now, of course, they've targeted approximately half a dozen locations linked to Virendra Ram, the former chief engineer at the Jharkhand Rural Development Department, and his inner circle. Of course, a high-profile officer there. He was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in February last year in connection with a money laundering case. So there you can see those absolutely dramatic visuals there. And the Minister, Alamgir Alam, he says that till the time the probe is on, I will not comment on the issue. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has raked up this issue, saying that Modi is trying to stop the opposition's loot. Take a look.
देखिए, मेरा पीएस है विभाग के विभाग बोले बहुत सरकारी मुलाजिम है और मेरा पीएस है और हम लोग जो पीएस को रखते हैं तो अनुभवी देखकर ही रखते हैं। इसके पहले भी एक जगह नहीं दो मंत्री का पीएस रह चुके थे, उसी आधार पर उसको हम लोग लाए थे। अब बाकी अभी जो चर्चा चल रही है वो ईडी में तो वो तो जब तक उसका निष्कर्ष नहीं आएगा तब तक उस पर कुछ टिप्पणी करना उचित नहीं।
ये कहते हैं ईडी हम लोगों को परेशान कर रहा है। ये खैर आलमगीर आलम के निजी सचिव के नौकर के घर में अगर ये कोई 25 बता रहा है, कोई 30 बता रहा है कि इतना करोड़ रुपया अगर मिलता है तो ये क्या बता रहा है? आप तो कोई प्रश्न ही ये लोग नहीं कर सकते। इसलिए मैं तो कहूँगा सरकार से, विशेष रूप से कल्पना सोरेन से, भाई आप तो आलमगीर आलम को मंत्रिमंडल से बर्खास्त करनी चाहिए।
झारखंड में ईडी ने नोटों के पहाड़ खोदकर निकाले हैं। कांग्रेस के मंत्री के निजी सचिव के नौकर के पास से ये नोटों का पहाड़ निकला है। सोचिए, कांग्रेस वालों ने अपने नौकर के घर को काली कमाई का गोदाम बना रखा था। ये पहला मौका नहीं है। इससे पहले भी कांग्रेस के एक सांसद के पास से नोटों का इससे भी बड़ा पहाड़ मिला था। आखिर ऐसा क्यों है कि जिनके पास से भी नोटों के ये पहाड़ मिलते हैं वो कांग्रेस की फर्स्ट फैमिली के करीबी होते हैं।
And Prabhakar is joining us live on the phone line now. So Prabhakar, this has become a huge political case as well, with the Prime Minister now commenting on it and of course a close aide of Alamgir Alam's as well. How do you see this playing out?
This was bound to happen, and the moment this raid happened, everybody knew about it, that this would roll into a big political controversy. Remember, the elections are midway. The election campaign is on in the full swing. And any political party would not let this opportunity slip out of their hands. So the moment this raid was conducted and this kind of cash, the 30 crore cash was recovered, it was clear that BJP would lap this opportunity. And none other than the Prime Minister himself actually made the first statement, I would say. He took this issue up, and so it has now snowballed into a big political issue with BJP in cash throughout the elections, and it has brought a major embarrassment for the Congress, because they would have actually to answer many questions as it will play out in the 2024 battlefield.
Right, Prabhakar, thanks very much for joining us with that. So as Prabhakar is pointing out, the Congress also, in fact, the BJP on its social media page is also targeting the Congress over this, and pretty dramatic visuals coming in there. Multiple cash seizures in Jharkhand, in Bihar, of course in Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan as well. This also points to the fact of an electoral reality that has now become the norm.